I'll be presenting my final project of this semester, the SKO. So the introduction of this project is an art campaign and event called Manga Art Fair. And Manga Art Fair is a campaign for all kids and young teenagers to participate and share their work to the creative community and share their talents to strengthen their knowledge, imagination, and skills. It's basically just drawing their own manga. So manga is a Japanese comic showing stories from anime TV series. It's sort of like cartoons. So this is the illustration of the event's mascot, Erica. Who is Erica? She's a mascot character of this Manga Art Fair. And she's a manga character with a lively personality. She's kind, bubbly, and loves to draw and play with children. And Erica was created in Illustrator and was colored in pink floral patterns and yellow plate for outfits. I decided to use Erica as the mascot because it basically shows what this event really is and what it looks like. So, and that is why I chose to do a manga illustration of Erica for this event. So this is the typography section. So it's basically showing what kind of typography I want to use for the title or logo, and most of the deliverables, such as posters, badges, and many more. And this is the color palette section, showing which of these color palettes will be suitable for Erica's outfits. So this is the badges and stickers section. So I started by using simple designs like this little chibi Erica, putting on round shapes for badges and making into stickers like these ones. And then I go a bit further using gradients and patterns. And I also use my artworks that I've done for badges and stickers, see how they will look. And these are my final stickers I've done. So as you can see, I've decided to use the gradients because it's much more colorful and very lively. And these are the draft mock-up badges. And finally, they're the final stickers and badges that I decided to choose for as the final. And here's are the posters. So I've been playing around with different designs and try and make it look like covers from How to Draw Manga books. And of course, I use my artworks as part of for the posters so that people can see what this activity looks like. But then I decided that instead of using my own artworks, I decided to use my own digital illustrations for this project because I really think that it really shows what my own project is really, because I really wanted to show my audience about what my project really is. And here are my final posters. And because I really love all of my posters and couldn't decide which one are the best ones, I decided to choose these three. Of course, they are the drafted mock-up posters, and then the final. And next are the banner stands. So instead of making banner stands, I duplicate the designs from the posters and use it for the stands. They're all pretty similar to the posters, but I just arranged some things for the posters. Next are the show bags. This is a really fun part. So the first thing I did was to play around with this one section of the bag, where I like to put logo and image, change its color, and then I got a bit further. Then I also play around with my own artworks. And for the mock-ups, I couldn't find the original mock-ups for the show bags, so I decided to make my own one from that I did on Illustrator. So first thing I did was to find the original image of the show bag and use it as a template. After going through all of my show bags, I decided to choose these show bag designs based on my own illustrations. So out of 3, I decided to choose this one or this one because I think they're pretty stand out to me. Next are the Instagram ads. They're really simple. I just simply add type on what's going on this event, and then I started to play around with colors. I got a bit further with gradients and clip masking dotted patterns, just like the other deliverables. Then I tested on mock-up ads, and then finally I decided to choose these 3 for my final. They really pretty stand out if they're really going to be advertised on Instagram. And finally, these are my final deliverables. And that's it now. Thank you for listening. See you next time.